What up guys, it's your boy Jinx in the building. You know how we do, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the Otis dance that is taken over the internet by Kai Jmarii. Let's dive into it. So move number one, you want to step. It's not like the walk it out. The popular hip hop dance called the walk it out. Basically like this. But then you want to swing with your hands. So you switch it up and swing with your hands. We'll have 3 steps in there. So we go 1, 2, 3. Good. So 5, 6, and 7. Go. And 1, 2, 3. Now once you stop on the 3rd count, you want to bring your right leg in. And your hand comes to your chest and you pop, 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 extending forward. And then you send your head down and you break and come up and twist, 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 moving to the left. So I'll take that again. Pop, 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 head, pop, up, 1, 2, 3. Good. Then we go 1, 2, and we'll go down. Go 1, 2. So you want to send your leg twice backwards. 1, 2. And you meet back at the center. I'll take it to the side so you have a rare view of what it looks like. We'll go 1, 2. Okay? And you meet back at the center before you switch it up to the other leg. So we go 1, 2, switch. Na, na, na. Then you want to throw. So you step out and throw your right arm, you step out and throw your left arm. Then you bring your hand and your toes up and you send the wave back to your butt and come back up. 1, 2, wave to butt and up and go 1, 2. Alright, so when you go 1, 2, step back and we go 1, 1, 2, 3 and to twerk 1, 2, 3. So up your waist, ta ta ta. The hang of this wrist motion. Then you want to throw in your hands like this. They work together. All right. So we'll put that together down from here. 1, 2, up, ta ta. 1, ta ta ta. 1, 2, 3. We'll stop. Open up with your leg coming forward. Open up, stop. Then you go 1, stop, and run forward. Then you want to go up like a crisscross. 1, 2, 1, 2. It. Open, and you end with a final move. Boom, and stop.
Invented sweat, popping bottles, putting supermodels in the cab. Proof. I guess I got my swagger back.